Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 2 on this. Control D and make a duplicate it, move it over. And then let's rotate it 45 degrees. And now let's bring it back. And if we select all this and go up to Object and convert the outline to an object, then if we take the Smart Fill tool and we just fill these in, and actually fill in the center. It doesn't look like there is, but there is a gap. I should have grouped those together. So you could not do that with just lines. You have to create an object. And to kind of explain that a little bit, if we take a rectangle, Control D and duplicate it 90 degrees, and we weld this, and then we turn it into a thicker line, like 12 points. Well, let's make it thicker. Let's go 24 points. That is still a line, so let's do this. Let's put that in the center of the page, and let's make another copy of it and move it over. Maybe not that far. Let's create this one and make it convert the outline to an object. Now, when we take the Smart Fill tool, see how the blue just goes to part to the line? Where on here, it goes really thick to the line. So if we draw a rectangle and fill all this in with blue, you can't even see that anymore because the lines are gone. Now, if we take away these lines, well, tell you what, I'm going to nudge that out of the way and then take our line and just delete it and nudge this back. There's the space. If we take this item and move it out of the way, that's what you get. That space is it. It's just the hairline that's left of the line. So to make something space like that, you've got to convert the outline to an object, because basically it's thinking it, well, let's just do that. So let's make it. So it doesn't matter if this is now a hairline, it's going to do the exact same thing. It's going to go to that hairline, it's going to go to that hairline. Even though that hairline is thicker, you're going to get the exact same thing because it's not an object. They're identical. So if you take this and make it, let's make it quite a bit thicker, let's make it 36 points, and take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, that's what you get, because it's not going to that line. So you get well, you know what? Did that even work? No, I didn't create an object. So now the difference is between that one and this one. Look at the difference. This is quite a bit thinner. And because the Smart Fill tool could only go to that edge of the object, when it was a line, it would go to the center, which is the hairline. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.